wondered which vegetables are highest in protein? Well, you're about to find out. But first, let's take a moment to understand why protein is so crucial to our health. Protein is an essential macronutrient. That's a fancy way of saying it's a type of nutrient that our bodies need in large amounts to function properly. But why is protein so important? There are a few key reasons. Firstly, protein plays a significant role in the maintenance and growth of muscle mass. If you're looking to build strength or simply maintain the muscle you've already got, protein is your best friend. Secondly, protein is vital for weight management. It helps regulate hunger and satiety, helping to prevent overeating and assisting in maintaining a healthy weight. But protein's benefits are not just about muscles and weight. It's also crucial for overall health. Protein is involved in nearly every bodily function, from immune response to hair growth. It's the building block of your cells, the catalyst for your enzymes, and the messenger of your hormones. So, how much protein do we need? It varies depending on factors like age, sex, and activity level. But as a general rule, adult males typically require about 56 grams of protein per day, while adult females need around 46 grams. Now, when we think of protein, our minds might immediately jump to animal products. But did you know that vegetables can also be a great source of protein? That's right, from lentils and beans to spinach and peas, there's a whole world of plant-based protein out there waiting to be explored. But it's not just about the protein content. These protein-rich vegetables also offer other nutritional benefits like fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So when you're munching on your greens, you're not just getting protein, you're also contributing to your overall health in a multitude of ways. So protein is not just about muscle, but about maintaining a healthy body, and vegetables can be a great source of it. Now, you may be thinking vegetables and protein, really? Well, yes, some vegetables are surprisingly high in protein. Let's take a closer look, shall we? First off, let's talk about lentils. These little legumes are not only a great source of protein, but also rich in fiber and iron. They're versatile too, making a great addition to everything from salads to stews. Next on our list are beans. Whether it's black beans, kidney beans, or chickpeas, these nutrient-dense veggies are packed with protein. Plus, they're also high in fiber, helping to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Now let's move on to the leafy greens, starting with spinach. This superfood is well known for its high iron content, but did you know it's also a good source of protein? And then there's kale, another leafy green that's chock full of protein, not to mention a plethora of other nutrients like vitamin K, vitamin A, and vitamin C. Next in line are the cruciferous vegetables, with broccoli and Brussels sprouts leading the pack. These veggies are not just high in protein, they also offer a host of other health benefits, thanks to their high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Last but not least, we have roots and tubers, with the humble potato as our star player. Often overlooked, potatoes are actually a decent source of protein. And let's not forget peas. These small but mighty veggies are also high in protein, and they add a nice pop of color to your plate. So there you have it. Vegetables can indeed be a good source of protein. And the best part? They offer a host of other nutritional benefits as well, making them a fantastic addition to any diet. So next time you're at the grocery store, you might want to pick up some of these protein-packed veggies. When we talk about plant-based protein, we can't forget legumes and beans. They are the unsung heroes of the plant-based world, often overlooked but packed with an impressive amount of protein. Legumes such as lentils and peas and beans of all varieties are not just good, they're great for those seeking to diversify their protein sources. Picture this: a cup of cooked lentils provides about 18 grams of protein. That's a substantial amount considering that adult males generally require about 56 grams per day, while adult females need about 46. So don't underestimate these tiny nutritional powerhouses. Now, let's talk about beans. From black beans to kidney beans to chickpeas and soybeans, each one is a treasure trove of protein. Take black beans for instance. A cup of cooked black beans can provide 15 grams of protein. And let's not forget chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, which offer nearly 15 grams of protein in a single cup. But the protein content is just one side of the story. Legumes and beans are also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're a complete package when it comes to nutrition. They offer antioxidants that can contribute to overall health and well-being. One thing to remember, however, is that unlike animal proteins, plant proteins are often considered incomplete proteins, as they may lack one or more essential amino acids. But don't let this deter you. By consuming a variety of plant-based protein sources, you can get all the essential amino acids your body needs. So the next time you're planning a meal, remember to include these protein powerhouses. Beans and legumes are not only versatile in the kitchen, but also a fantastic way to get your protein. So, how does vegetable protein stack up against animal protein? Well, it all boils down to the concept of complete and incomplete proteins. You see, proteins are made up of building blocks called amino acids, some of which our bodies can't produce. These are called essential amino acids, and we need to get them from our diet. Animal proteins, such as meat, dairy, and eggs, are often referred to as complete proteins. That's because they contain all of these essential amino acids in one package. On the flip side, vegetable proteins like those found in beans, lentils, and leafy greens are often labeled as incomplete proteins. They might lack one or more of these essential amino acids. But here's the twist. By eating a variety of plant-based proteins, you can actually get all the essential amino acids your body needs. This means that a well-planned vegan or vegetarian diet can provide you with the complete protein profile that your body craves. So while animal proteins may be complete, a well-planned plant-based diet can provide all the essential amino acids you need. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned about protein in vegetables. Protein, an indispensable macronutrient, plays a critical role in our bodies, from muscle maintenance to weight management. While animal products are often seen as the go-to protein source, nature's green bounty offers us a cornucopia of protein-rich alternatives. Vegetables, although generally lower in protein, have champions like lentils, beans, spinach, and peas that are bursting with this essential nutrient. Even our leafy greens like spinach and kale, cruciferous veggies like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, and root vegetables like potatoes are notable contributors of protein. In the protein showdown, animal proteins took the crown as complete proteins, since they contain all essential amino acids. However, our plant proteins were not far behind. Although deemed incomplete proteins as they may lack one or more essential amino acids, by eating a variety of these protein-packed vegetables, we can easily get all the essential amino acids we need. Remember, a balanced diet is key, and these protein-rich vegetables can be a great addition to your meals. So are you ready to give these veggies a try?